Thanks, Max. This we call unexpected rain, which I researched about a week ago because I'm just not a weatherman. But this is unexpected rain. Now, it is raining right now. Very, very little, but it is raining. The floors are wet. Everything's raining. It is raining. But the problem is with that is that it's coming up from the south, Max. So from the south, it's gonna stay here probably until 1, maybe cloudy throughout the day, and then start raining at 11 p.m. So it's coming from the south from Mexico. Now, of course, this is December 22nd or something, 21st, whatever it is. Day after we got back from Disneyland. Great trip. I didn't even get to go because I'm Chris. Max only got to go. Just kidding, I went. Okay, so this is breaking news. Now, it's gonna rain also on Friday because that storm is coming from the east, from Nevada and parts of New Mexico. That will be coming straight towards us, and that will be a little bit big of a storm. Now, today's storm, raining in the morning, cloudy through the afternoon, raining at night. So then we have another storm on Saturday and Sunday, Christmas and Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, most likely at around 5 p.m., it will start raining. So usually at the night, go all the way through the night, and in the morning, it will be still raining on Christmas Day, just in the morning. So I might have some difficulties, but with all the presents, but it's okay. So anyways, that's basically the breaking news for you tonight, just so that you could see what is going on. It's actually the morning, not tonight, so the morning. And basically, yeah, so that is that. So I'm reporting live outside of our studio, and back to you, Max. I'm not reporting live out of our studio. I drove. I'm Chris, and I drove all the way to this little town called Newbury Park. So, yeah. All right, well, thanks, Max. See you in Palm Springs. It is really windy out here tonight in the Palm Springs area. But I am not in Palm Springs right now. I am clearly in Southern California by LA. It is extremely windy and I don't know what to say. I mean, if you just listen. The wind's getting stronger and stronger. Fastest it'll go, 30 miles per hour. Very, very fast. Almost to 60 miles per hour. This meaning it's going to pound us with rain tonight at around 11 to 7 in the morning. Now, this is going to be very harsh, so please turn off your Christmas lights. It is extremely windy here. And you know what? I'm just going to stop this video real quick. Okay, now it is really windy. And now you can kind of tell what I'm talking about. I mean, it is just windy here in Southern California. Now it is going to rain tonight, hopefully, and then on Friday it will be pounding us with rain. This wind will never stop winding. It is so fast. So I hope you guys turn off those Christmas lights because they're gonna go if you don't. So thanks guys for watching. Thanks guys for this news, and I'll see you tomorrow morning on another weather update.